As we descended to a depth of 92 feet, 28 meters, we were greeted by an awe-inspiring sight. A giant fan coral stretching upwards towards the light, with a pair of frogfish nestled near its base. Its delicate branches swayed gently in the current, providing a home for countless species of marine life. It was an awesome scene, a testament to the wonders of the underwater world. It also answers the question, why we dive. But as we look closer, we notice something disturbing. Broken fishing lines entangled in the fan coral branches, shredding them, and plastic bags with stones in them used to weigh down fishing lines. As divers, we have a responsibility to protect the fragile ecosystems that we explore. Unfortunately, one of the biggest threats to coral reefs is the careless disposal of monofilament fishing lines in plastic bags. These fishing lines are often left to drift in the ocean, where they can entangle and harm marine life and shred fan corals. It's up to us as divers to do our part and remove these harmful fishing lines from the ocean floor. By cutting the fishing lines, we can prevent further damage to these precious ecosystems and ensure that fan corals continue to thrive. It's also crucial to ensure that the cut fishing line is properly disposed of. Collecting the cut lines in a mesh bag or other container can help prevent them from drifting away and causing further harm to marine life. And of course, we need to properly dispose of them once we get back on land. Another threat are plastic bags filled with stones and used to weigh down fishing lines. In developed countries, fishing sinkers made of lead or non-toxic materials like tungsten, steel, or ceramic are common tools when fishing. However, in less developed countries, a cheap and frequently used alternative is to tie a plastic bag filled with stones to a fishing line to act as a sinker. Unfortunately, when these fishing lines are discarded or cut, the plastic bag sinkers are left in the ocean, becoming covered with algae or other marine organisms. This can be especially dangerous for sea turtles and other marine animals who mistake the plastic bags for food and ingest them. This can lead to suffocation, starvation, and drowning, causing devastating consequences for these beautiful creatures and the ecosystems they depend on. We can take it upon ourselves to remove any discarded fishing lines or plastic bags we come across during our dives, properly disposing of them on land. One of the most significant dangers of plastic bags is that they can cause blockages in an animal's digestive system, leading to starvation and malnutrition. Plastic bags can also puncture a turtle's digestive tract, causing internal injuries and infections that can be fatal. In addition to the physical harm that plastic bags can cause, they also have a negative impact on an animal's behavior and ability to survive. Discarded fishing lines and plastic bags pose a threat to the overall health of marine ecosystems. When these synthetic materials are left in the ocean, they can break down into small particles called microplastics, which can be ingested by a wide range of marine organisms, from plankton to large fish. This can have significant negative effect on the entire food chain, leading to health problems and reduced reproduction rates for many species. Ultimately, the dangers discarded fishing line and plastic bags pose to marine life are significant and far-reaching. By taking action to collect them when we dive and properly disposing of them, we can help protect the health and well-being of the oceans and the creatures that call them home. Thank you for joining us on this dive and learning about the harmful effects of discarded fishing lines and plastic bags on our ocean and marine life that call it home. As divers, we have the unique opportunity to witness the beauty and fragility of these ecosystems firsthand, and it's up to us to do our part in protecting them. By properly collecting and disposing of these harmful debris and educating others on the importance of responsible fishing practices, we can help prevent further harm to our oceans and the creatures that live within them. Remember, every action we take, no matter how small, can make a difference. As we conclude our discussion on the dangers of discarded fishing lines and plastic bags to marine life, I encourage you to keep watching till the end of the video and see for yourself how we can take action to protect our oceans. You'll witness how divers properly retrieve debris and store it for eventual land disposal. Remember, by doing our part, we can preserve the beauty of our underwater world for generations to come. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more educational content and underwater adventures. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and protecting our oceans.